Hi everyone, my name is Ardita Nur Ramadhina, and today I'm gonna explain about how bees make honey. When we talk about bees, we are usually referring to the European honeybee. Its scientific name is Apis mellifera. Humans have been drawing over its honey and taking advantage of its pollination powers for thousands of years. So maybe some of you wondering, how do these insects make honey? We will find the text is one requiring teamwork and organization. Busy buzzing bees. You probably already know about the most important ingredient needed to make honey is flowers. A colony of bees can visit up to 50 million flowers each day, with as many as 60,000 bees in each colony. They are not called busy for bees for nothing. Honeybees work together as a team to make decisions about where the flowers are, where the best flowers are. They communicate with each other using bumps, noises, and even dance moves known as the wiggle dance. All bees during their life have different roles depending on how old they are. To make honey, worker honeybees fly up to 5 kilometers searching for flowers and their sweet nectar. Usually, they will visit between 50 and 100 flowers per trip. Nectar, main ingredient for honey. Nectar is the main ingredient for honey and also the main source of energy for bees. Using a long straw-like tongue called a proboscis, honeybees suck up nectar droplets from the flower's special nectar-making organ called the nectary. When the nectar reaches the bee's honey stomach, the stomach begins to break down the complex sugars of the nectar into more simple sugars that are less prone to crystallization or becoming solid. This process is called inversion. House bees take the nectar inside the colony and pack it away in hexagon-shaped beeswax honey cells. They then turn the nectar into honey by drying it out using a warm breeze made with their wings. Once the honey has dried out, they put a lid over the honey cell using fresh beeswax, kind of like a little honey jar. In the winter, when the flowers have finished blooming and there's not as much nectar available, the bees can open this lid and share the honey they have. Honey, a food fit for all workers, human and bee. Because nectar comes from flowers, there are hundreds of different types of honey with different colors, smells, and flavors. Some honey can even be used as medicine. Also, bees don't just collect nectar to make honey. When they visit flowers, they also collect pollen, which is a great source of protein to keep them healthy and strong. Pollen is a kind of powder which flowering plants, trees, and grasses make and must spread to help more of the same plants grow around them. Pollen can spread in ways such as being blown around by the air or being carried between two of the same plant by an insect. So by transferring pollen between flowers, bees also help pollinate flowers. These often turn into the seeds of the fruit and nuts we eat. In fact, about 1/3 of the food we eat is pollinated by bees. So this is a very, you know, you bees are have many have a big roles in the nature. They not just make honey, but they also spread the pollen, ca- which is they help the plants grow. So the conclusion is, first, bee visit flowers and collect nectar, then store it in their stomaches and carry it to the beehive. The nectar mixed with proteins and enzymes in their stomachs, then converted into honey. And the last, the bees then drop the honey into the honeycombs. So last but not least, I got a quote from Victor Hugo. Victor said, "Life is the flower for which love is the honey." You can interpret it by yourself. I think that's all from me. Thank you for attention. Thank you for watching, and bye.